Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name's Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and I have the privilege of showing you this beautiful silver Harris 250 Sunliner. It's got the tan interior, powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower Verado, deep 4-step ladder, nice storage back here, cooler on that side. Got your smart charger plug here that'll trickle charge the batteries and keep them juiced up year-round. Fender holders on both sides. This is adjustable. Comes up easy. Great place to lounge. Batteries are located under here. You've got 2 of them with a dual selector switch. This is a single lounger dual helm layout. Let's not forget an awesome helm. Wireless phone charger, digital throttle and shift. This boat is rated for 15 people. JL audio sound system, Simrad screen that gives you all your digital points, real-time engine data, massive seating up front. And it also has a portable ottoman with a cushion that goes over it, which fits perfectly right here as a nice footrest. If you guys have any questions on this boat or would like to set up an appointment to see it in person, please give us a call. My direct line is 573-606-3029. Make sure to ask for Jansen. Thanks and have a great day.